Benjamin Insurance Group. We are specialist insurance brokers in the franchise sector. We're the partner to the FCA as the exclusive insurance broker partner. The way we support the sector is by understanding each business, because each business is individual. So when we're working with franchisors, we need to understand what's important for them in protecting their business brand and protecting their franchisees. Then when we're talking with their franchisees, we walk the floor, understand their business so that we put the right insurance in place for them. Richard Cholwick, who is on the Victorian Chapter Committee, came to work for me and he said, Paul, there's a great opportunity in the insurance broker space. The previous insurance brokers weren't supporting the sector, and Richard has a very personal touch in working with franchisors and franchisees, and so I was excited to support him in what he does in the industry. They're passionate. The franchisors are passionate about growing their system and their business through engaging with really great franchisees. Franchisees are keen to make their business successful and they love working in a model that is proven as against trying to start their own business hoping that it'll work. The FCA is really proactive. They're proactive not only in their social communication through the different digital platforms, but they're very active in working with the franchisor and the franchisee at events that they run online or face-to-face. And their intention is always about helping businesses grow. And they have a great team working with them. They're all very approachable and collaborative, and they work really well with their partners. It doesn't matter the segment, be it legal, software, education. And having been the chair of several associations, state and national, I'm really impressed with their professionalism and their integrity. Information. Now, our role as an insurance broker is to provide information so that they can make an informed decision, because insurance is sometimes seen as a dark art and hard to understand and hard to navigate, and also to understand what the business risks are. So our role is to reduce the financial risks to the owner, and the best way we can do that is by giving them information about the best policies to protect them, and then it's up to them as to whether they want to take them or not take them, or have a modification of a policy. But our role is to make the business owner sleep better at night, knowing that their financial risks are covered. That they get passionate about insurance. Insurance is seen as an expense, therefore there's a negative connotation because we're always trying to reduce expenses. But the gift about insurance is it's not what you pay at the front end of the transaction. It's if you have a catastrophe and you need to make a claim on your insurance policy, that the policy actually is claimable on, and so that you don't suffer financial loss. And so our goal is to give people the information and the policies that protect them so they sleep better at night. That's what we want to do. It's been proven over the last 30 years here in Australia that if you're in a good franchise system, you're in a good business, and you have the opportunity to secure your own financial future, and that's exciting. If I look at the industries that have succeeded during the pandemic, the franchise industry is a standout, and so I'm optimistic that the future is really bright. We're a nation of small business, and the franchise sector is an industry built on small business, so I'm really optimistic.